In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage connected apps on your Wells Fargo account. Managing connected apps is an important step in securing your banking information and ensuring that only trusted apps have access to your financial data. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in navigating the Wells Fargo mobile app to review and adjust app connections according to your preferences. First, start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device, and make sure you sign into your account with your credentials. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can easily find it in your device's app store. And remember, keeping your banking app up to date ensures that you have all the latest security features and improvements. Once you've logged in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen for the familiar menu icon, indicated by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap this icon to open the main menu. This menu provides quick access to various features and settings within your Wells Fargo account. From the menu, you'll want to scroll down and select the Profile and Settings option. This section is where you can tweak your user preferences and manage various aspects of your account, including your personal information and preferences. Now you'll need to scroll down again within the Profile and Settings menu until you find the Security and Privacy section. This area is particularly important for safeguarding your account and managing who has access to your information. Tap on Security and Privacy to proceed. Within the Security and Privacy settings, you will see the Manage Connected Apps option. This feature allows you to view all the third-party applications that are currently linked to your Wells Fargo account. Tapping on this option will provide you with a list of these apps, giving you a clear overview of what services are connected. Take a moment to review the list of connected apps. It's important to recognize and understand each app's role and necessity in accessing your financial information. If you encounter an app that you don't recognize or no longer want connected, you'll have the ability to manage its permissions. When you tap on any particular app in this list, you'll be able to view detailed information about it. Here, you can choose to either remove the app should you decide it no longer needs access, or adjust the permissions if you prefer to maintain limited connectivity for specific features. Always consider the necessity and trustworthiness of each app to ensure optimal security. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently manage connected apps on your Wells Fargo account, ensuring peace of mind by keeping your financial data protected. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.